Today we are going to look at the letter S. S makes the sound S. When we write a letter S, we start at the sky. We curve around and make a magic C that stops on the fence and then curve backwards on the ground. And that makes a capital S. You would use a capital S if you were writing a name like Sam. You would only use a capital S if you're writing a name or the beginning of a sentence. A lowercase s starts on the fence. It goes around and makes a tiny magic C and then curves backwards on the grass. And that is a lowercase s. This is a capital S. And this is a lowercase s. This is an S, and an S makes S. We use our flat hand with fingers pointing up, thumb in, and we make the shape of the S. S. We keep looking at the back of our hand and draw that S in the air as we make the sound. S. This is an S, and an S says S. This is an S, and an S says S. These are some words that start with the sound of S. This is slime. Slime starts with S. This is a strawberry. Strawberry starts with the sound of S. Skate. Skate starts with the sound of S. And Sam on a slide starts with the sound of S. Let's write another S. Let's make a capital S. Capital S starts at the sky, makes a magic C that stops at the fence, curves backwards, and you make your capital S stop on the grass. This is an S, and an S says S, like Sam. Here is a lowercase s. It starts on the fence. It goes around and makes a tiny magic C and then curves backwards onto the grass. This is an S, and an S says S, like in strawberry or snake. This is an S, and an S makes S. This is an S, like in squirrel, and an S makes S. Let's write the word Sam. Sam is a name, so we'll have to use a capital letter at the beginning. Let's stretch out the word Sam. 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 Now let's write the letters for the sounds we hear. Sam is a name, so we'll start with a capital S. Sam. Now let's write a few more S's. This is an S, and an S says S. This is an S, and an S says S, like in seahorse and spider and snail. This is an S, and an S says S. This is an S, and an S says S. Let's sing our alphabet together to finish up today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I've said my ABCs. Next time, won't you skate with me? Thanks for coming. Come back to learn more letters with us.